I'm going to unscrew the Coke cans. It's semi did the job. This one's kind of half coming off. There's so much mud everywhere. Just got some mud in my eye. So I'm thinking I might try to get rid of some of this mud first. Where did all that mud come from? I'm thinking my clever idea might not have been so clever. I think a little bit of the duct tape got away, and I'm guessing the tyre flicked up mud and it got underneath. See, that's a little damp and there's mud. So I'm going to try to get rid of the mud today and let it dry and then put on the sealant another day. Maybe this sugar soap will handle this marking too. It's a little, but not a huge amount. Make it look a little bit nicer. While I was at the hardware store, I asked about what I should do with the 2 holes under the Caravan, and I was recommended this rubber formula that makes a waterproof barrier. So I thought I'd just slather that all over everything, and I just don't know, I've got some thin planks of wood that I could slather in this paint too and screw on, possibly. It looks a lot drier. Right, I'm gonna paint it. The people at this campground are so nice. This couple in this caravan, his son was able to get this small bit of marine grade wood for me, and I'm going to paint both sides and yeah, cover the 2 holes. And he also suggested I paint a larger area underneath the caravan, like larger than this bit of wood. Seriously, such a lovely day today. It's beautiful. Yeah, we've been lucky. I think the weather's turning this weekend, so it's good to kind of get all these outdoor DIY stuff done. So the tip I was given from my neighbours was to put the 6 screws in basically so they're just poking out on the bit of wood. Then I'm using this, hopefully kind of sealant, but I'm hoping it's kind of glue sealant too, and stick it underneath and then just screw it in. So will it work? Hopefully it does it. I kind of feel like I have coated everything 3 times, and I don't know, I'm hoping that is fixed. That's one job done. So I've been in contact with a fiberglass company that's just in the area, and I want to find out how much it is for them just to reproduce this. So they've just emailed back saying bring in the other side, so I'll just take this off. I'm not quite sure how I'm supposed to get this off. Oh yeah. I'm breaking this as well. Alright. So apart from breaking around the edge, whoops, It's another of those hard ones. What do you do with screws that just won't come out? I'll try this too. Oops. So I've just nabbed the owner of the campground. He's going to help me out.
Put it on here and you hold it really tight.
Yeah.
And then press the button.
Okay.
Because it's on, that is reverse, yeah. Press it really hard onto it and I press the button, yeah. Let him, as he scoops over it, it doesn't work.
Do you think I just wasn't pushing hard enough? All the different options.
Yeah.
Okay, apparently this is what I should get. And then I'll be set.
Yeah. I know, I have that all, but I like this box because
Yeah,
it
you
gives
kind of
so many options.
set for everything.
Yeah.
I'm seriously thinking of getting one.
Yeah,
And then people have said I can wind up the stabilizing legs as well with it. Well, that was helpful. Now I just need to get this one out. Gosh, they're hard to get into. And I'm hoping I can get this one myself. Yep, this one's coming. Slowly. Now, moment of truth, will it come away from the Caravan? Yeah, okay. So they added a lot of sealant to the screws. Huh, that's interesting. And there's a few extra screws from these. So I might give this a bit of a clean, otherwise it's a bit grotty to take along. I'm going to leave these screws in for now, and then if we go ahead, I guess we'll take them out. It's much cleaner. So now I'm going to go to the Fibreglass business just down the road and see how much it'll cost. So I just got back from the Fibreglass factory and I've borrowed this other wheel arch. They have a mould and it looks very similar to what I have. It's slightly different. So the guys let me borrow this to see if it will fit, and if that's the case, apparently it's going to be a lot cheaper because they already have the mould made up. I think that's going to work. So it's just slightly different shape. Well, I've placed my order. I got a quote for 1 or 2 of the wheel arches. One was around about $290. Not exactly feeling rich right now, so I've just gone for one and see how long the other side lasts for. And it's super speedy, so probably be done this week. So I've picked up the new wheel arch and it looks fantastic. It's interesting how it's made. I've never had much experience with fiberglass. I need to borrow someone's electric drill and drill some holes in this. I was going to sand back this white area and paint it too, but it's just too wet today. I should have done it earlier. So I'm just going to leave the white area underneath for another time.
The big hole. Yeah.
Well, there was a brief lull in the weather. Ross was super nice and he came over and actually, I thought, yeah, he actually did it for me completely, which I was not expecting, but just was amazingly nice. So it's on, and he doesn't seem to think that we need to seal it or anything like that. It should stay on. And I guess it's stronger as well, it's fiberglass, so I almost think it's considering being hail. Yeah, it's hailing. Well, there's a couple of icy stones. And a huge thank you to my Patreons Alan, Pauline, Dennis, Luther, David and Matthew. Thank you guys.